What's going on, Love Gang? It's your girl Staj Loaf, and I'm back with another video.
Things come to those who wait. Silhouette looking cinematic. Yeah, I bet you.
As you can see, I am here and I am slayed, okay? I'm actually about to head out and go to a game night quarantine kickback with my friend. She's having about 5 of us over. We're just gonna play some games. We all work from home. We all just live by ourselves and we need some social interaction. Just did this quick look, so if you would like to keep on watching and see how I came up with this cute look, it is a talk through, a little catch up, a little chitty chat, then please keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So first, I have just got out the shower or whatever, so I did go ahead and add my toner, was my retinol toner. I used my vitamin C serum and I also used my Hydro Boost serum as well for like a little moisturizer. So I haven't put any moisturizer on my face. I'm not really going to. I don't really like to do that when I am about to go somewhere for like a short period of time. I'm not gonna have this makeup on long at all, so I didn't want to have too much product underneath, but I haven't been anywhere today, so I'm gonna skip sunscreen. However, one of my products has SPF in it, so just in case. Okay, so for primers, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Dehydrating Primer on the outside areas of my face, and then in the T-zone. I have been loving Makeup Obsession lately. I've been going to Target. Target's like my new mall since the malls are closed still. Makeup Obsession has some great products. They have the All A Blur Pore Blurring Primer. I've never seen anybody talk about it. And I'm looking down at my mirror, by the way. I actually didn't put on any eye cream, which was not like me. I need to do my brows. Usually I would have did my brows before getting on camera. Today I'm gonna go for the Morphe one. This Morphe one is in the color Chocolate. Chocolate is a little cooler to me. The foundation that I'm using is a little red. So I'm gonna use this one because you guys will see, it'll blend a little better. I know you guys don't really be liking the videos where people do their brows on camera. Some of you do. So anybody watching me, let me know if that's, you know, your preference. How are you guys liking this new quality? I'm definitely getting used to it. Okay, so let me clean my brows up. I didn't take anything to clean my brows up, so I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. I'm taking that Morphe M432. It's their flat brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my brows. So for foundation today, I recently picked up the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I picked up the color 540. I have tried this once already. My opinion is that it is a little too red for me. This is the item that I was saying has the sunscreen, has SPF 25 in it, so it's a little something, but again, it's the evening time, so that's okay. I'm just gonna shake it up. I might have put too much on, honestly, but you guys can already tell that it's a bit red. So I'm gonna blend this out and show y'all. It smells good though. I like weird smells like gasoline. It does look very red, even more red on camera than I thought that it looked. Cause this kind of looks crazy. But I make it work, like I said. I appreciate the finish. The finish is nice. I don't always like full coverage. This will do for now, and we will make it all come together, I promise. So for my concealers, to kind of bring some balance back to my face, so I have the Born This Way concealer, which is my normal like day-to-day concealer. This is in the color Mocha. So I have the CoverGirl True Blend concealer in the color Golden Caramel. So this is more so my brightening shade. And then I have the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear concealer in the color 415 Honey. So I'm thinking that 415 Honey and the Born to Glow will help me out. So I'm gonna do the Born to Glow first because it's the darkest one. I like this little doe foot thing. I think that's what it's called. I like it. I'm gonna put a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible closer to like the top right here. I need to add a little bit more of the Born to Glow because the Born to Glow, I don't think I squeezed enough out. I just don't like squeezing too hard. For contour, again, I'm just gonna use my chocolate dipped black Radiance contour stick, which I love, love, love. Chocolate dipped is really a really nice chocolate that I think would look good on anybody who's my skin match. But you don't want to overdo it because you don't want to be muddy. Guys, look how pretty that is. So we're gonna go ahead and blend out my contour. I want to choose a brush. All my brushes are dirty, so don't judge me. This brush is the Sephora 204 brush. It has the highlighter side as well as the buffing side for like your contours. I use this for bronzing and or brushing or blush. It looks really, really good. Okay, so this is the Morphe E62. Okay, sorry about that. I love to use this to blend out my nose contour. So for the under eye area, I am going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless pressed powder, and I got the color Toffee. This was a recent pickup for me, so to me it's a little bright, but I'll be light with this. As you guys can see, I'm using all affordable products. Look how pretty that's set. And it's a nice neutral, which is why it works with the fact that the foundation that I purchased is a bit too red. I'm just gonna set my eyes with this powder as well. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. To me, this loose finishing powder, I use Dark Profound. It does seem a bit red. I haven't used it in a while. This might have been a bad idea, because y'all see that it's red. I purchased the Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Black Coffee. I've used this back in the day, but I have a feeling that this is not gonna work out for me if I'm gonna try to bronze with it. What it looks like in the pan. It's a little washed out on camera, so I'm gonna use a more concentrated brush, which is my it's the e.l.f. airbrush blender brush. I want to do the bronze a little more compact because I just want to see if I'm going to be able to see it on camera. I've never used this. Can y'all see it? I mean, I guess I can. I'm not gonna be like that and be like, oh, I don't see it, but I don't see it. I feel like I do. It's actually perfect. I'm gonna be using the LA Pro Girl Mastery eyeshadow palette. I did also pick this up from Target. This is the eyeshadow palette, you guys. It's very nice. Yes. For my eyeshadow, like the color on my lid, I like to watch is this one of my favorite pigment colors from MAC. Let me open it up. So this is what it looks like. I've used this in a previous video. But it has like this lime green kind of reflex to it. Hello. I'm gonna put a little bit on my lid now with my finger so you guys can see how pretty this is. And I'm just gonna clean up the area around where I put the shimmer or the sparkle shade. Even though I have like little sparkles on my face, I'm like not mad, you know? I'm just gonna go over. I should have definitely thought this over. I got this new eye pencil from Revlon, so I'm gonna smoke this out on the top lash line. And we're just gonna smudge out the top lash line. We're gonna smash out the bottom. I'm gonna choose these 25mm 3D wispies. It's from this hair store brand, but it's the style 11. While those are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlighter and my blush while I'm here. I didn't plan on doing any highlighter, but I got a new highlighter from Black Radiance, but it's like the darkest one. To me, it's not a highlighter, but I just wanted to see what it would look like. It's the Black Radiance Color Perfect Highlighting Powder, and the color that I got is Sun-Kissed Glow. This is what it looks like. To me, it looks like a brown or like a silvery bronze, darker on the silver and more cool. We're gonna take my NYX Sweet Cheeks matte matte blush in the color Citron Rose. Super pretty. There we go. Yes, that's the color. The Maybelline Fit Me powder is confirmed to be too red in my book. So I'm taking my fluffy Sonia Kashuk brush, going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, Micro Smooth powder in deep. For setting spray, we're gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Shake and Glow Lumi Dew Mist. I love this stuff. I have 2 bottles. I'm gonna finish using this one first. You guys, this is literally the best for a drugstore setting spray. It is a dupe for the Anastasia Dewy Spray, or even the Tatcha, honestly. It smells delicious. We're gonna go ahead and put my brow gel on these. This is the Anastasia brow gel in Ebony, which I think that this one's like about out anyway. So for lips, we're going to do, I don't know why I didn't take my lip combo out in advance, y'all. So we're using the NYX Blackberry Lip Liner, just to do something different. Okay, I'm gonna use I Quit by Fenty. It's the Fenty Beauty, whatever, lip, Madam, whatever, you know. That was a good choice. I forgot how wonderful that feels on my lips. you guys. Ooh. Let me go ahead and put my earrings on and my shirt on and everything. Should I keep it matte? No, we're gonna put gloss on it. ColourPop, Here's to You as a top on the lip. I have a little bit of this left. I am serving face. Let me go put a shirt on real quick, you guys, and I will be right back. Okay. All right, love gang, I'm back. This is my look. This is the finished look for my quarantine game night. I'm actually about to head out and go to my homegirl's house. I may not even be there that long, but this is the look that I came up with. I am wearing my neon green shirt. The foundation was definitely too red, but I was able to bring it down and make it all come together using more neutral products. I have not done a full face like this in so long. It feels like forever, like literally since like Orlando in those previous vlogs. I hadn't done my makeup, so I feel so pretty. I feel really good, and I'm ready to go. I just really felt like doing plain in makeup using products that I've recently purchased. I have a whole nother video coming with more items that I get to use. So if you guys used any of the products that I mentioned today, make sure you comment below and tell me what you think, especially the Makeup Obsession All Blur Stick. It really does wonders on your pores. For you people who suffer with pores, everything's drugstore. I will say that Maybelline Fit Me powder in the dark profound, I don't know if there's any other dark ones, but the last one, I think that's the darkest one. It's just too red for me. And my look came out really pretty. The lashes, the lips, I love the lip combo. Never used the lip combo before, so I will keep this in mind. It's the Fenty Beauty I Quit, along with the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Here's to You. I hope you guys liked what I came up with. I hope that you have made it all the way to the end. I certainly appreciate you tuning in and rocking with me. Makeup is something I absolutely love to do and play with and experiment with and try all different types of stuff. So more content of that will be coming soon. But I do thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You know, share with a friend. Tell me what you like. If you guys want exact colors and such of any product that I mentioned, I will leave it in the, or I'll add it to the description box after this video is posted if there's anything you want to know. But yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching. I'm feeling really pretty, but I do need to hurry up and go. So yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Love you so much, love gang. Bye.